crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Today, I'm showing you how to make the perfect fried chicken at home step by step. Here's what you'll need. 1 kilogram chicken pieces, 2 cups buttermilk, 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tsp salt, 1 tsp pepper, 1 tsp paprika, a half tsp garlic powder, a half tsp chili powder, vegetable oil for deep frying. Soak your chicken in buttermilk and let it marinate for at least 4 hours, or overnight for extra tenderness and flavor. In a bowl, mix flour, salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, and chili powder. This will give your chicken that golden, flavorful crust. Take the marinated chicken, shake off the excess buttermilk, and coat each piece evenly in the flour mixture. Press the flour in for a thicker, crispier crust. Heat your oil to 350 F175C. Make sure it's hot enough, but not smoking. Fry the chicken in batches to avoid overcrowding. Cook each piece for about 10–15 minutes, turning occasionally, until golden brown and fully cooked inside. Internal temperature should be 165 F74C. Remove the chicken and place it on a wire rack or paper towels to drain excess oil. Let it rest for a few minutes before serving. Your homemade fried chicken is crispy, juicy, and packed with flavor. Serve it with coleslaw, fries, or biscuits. Perfection. If you loved this recipe, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes every week. See you next time.